Hey everyone, welcome to Klumbox. Being poor isn't just about having less money. It comes with a host of hidden costs that can keep individuals trapped in a cycle of poverty. In this video, we'll delve into the often overlooked expenses of poverty and why staying poor can be much more expensive than climbing out of it. 1. Healthcare hurdles. One of the most significant hidden costs of poverty is the lack of access to adequate healthcare. When money is tight, affording medical services, prescriptions, and preventative care becomes a luxury. This often leads to untreated illnesses, which can escalate into more severe health issues down the line. Additionally, stress from financial instability can take a toll on mental health, further exacerbating the problem. 2. Education expenses. While education is often touted as a pathway out of poverty, the reality is that being poor can make accessing quality education a challenge. From the cost of school supplies and uniforms to transportation fees, the expenses add up quickly for low-income families. Moreover, children from disadvantaged backgrounds may face additional barriers such as inadequate resources at home and limited access to extracurricular activities, hindering their academic success. 3. Housing headaches. Affordable housing is increasingly scarce, especially in urban areas where the cost of living is high. For those living paycheck to paycheck, finding a safe and stable place to live can be a constant struggle. The hidden costs of inadequate housing include higher utility bills due to poor insulation, increased healthcare expenses from living in substandard conditions, and limited opportunities for economic mobility. 4. Transportation troubles. Owning a car may seem like a luxury, but for many low-income individuals, it's a necessity for accessing employment opportunities and essential services. However, the cost of purchasing and maintaining a vehicle can be prohibitive, forcing individuals to rely on public transportation or face long commutes on foot. This not only eats into precious time but also limits job prospects and social mobility. 5. Nutrition necessities. Eating healthy on a budget is no easy feat. Processed and convenience foods often come with a lower price tag than fresh produce and lean proteins, leading to a diet high in calories but low in nutrients. The hidden cost of poor nutrition manifests in higher healthcare expenses due to obesity, diabetes, and other diet-related illnesses. Moreover, food insecurity can impact cognitive development in children, perpetuating the cycle of poverty across generations. 6. Legal labyrinth. When legal issues arise, navigating the justice system can be daunting and expensive. From eviction notices to unpaid fines, being poor can make individuals more vulnerable to legal troubles. However, without the means to hire legal representation, they may find themselves at a disadvantage in court. The hidden costs of legal woes include lost wages from time spent dealing with legal matters and the long-term consequences of criminal records, which can hinder employment opportunities. 7. Social strain. Poverty not only affects individuals financially but also takes a toll on their social well-being. The stigma associated with being poor can lead to feelings of shame and isolation, making it harder to ask for help or seek support from friends and family. Moreover, limited access to social networks and community resources can further exacerbate feelings of loneliness and hopelessness. In summary, the hidden costs of poverty extend far beyond just dollars and cents. From compromised health to limited opportunities, being poor carries a heavy burden that can weigh down individuals and communities alike. Breaking free from the cycle of poverty requires addressing these hidden costs head-on. But achieving financial freedom isn't as difficult as you've been told. Of course, it requires some level of discipline and dedication. But true financial success begins in the mind. Check this video out to learn the 8 mindset shifts that would inevitably make you wealthy. As always, thanks for watching, keep thriving with us, and see you next time.